Rumor has it that Apple's getting rid of their ports. Are you ready? I got a wireless charger you need to look at. What's up guys, my name is Mario and I do mobile tech accessory reviews so you don't have to. Stay tuned to the end to find out how you can win this wireless charging kit. This is part 3 where I give you my final thoughts on the SmartGrip. Okay, so my final thoughts on the SmartGrip from Naztech. It's a very nice charger. It looks really pretty on your dash, as you can see. And I mean, really, it's simple. And you gotta do is drop your phone in and it starts charging. There's no thinking about it, right? Let's see if it meets the 3 Fs. Let's see. Form, it's a very pretty product. It looks nice on your dash. Function, it functions correctly and it charges fast. And what more to think about. And is it friendly to use? Yes, it is. Very friendly to use. All you have to do is plug it in. It's pretty much plug and play. There's no fuss and muss about it. You might need to just extend the leg outs a little bit to fit your larger phones, but that's about it. I mean, I would definitely recommend it. Check. And if you do like this product, go check them out at Naztech.com and look for the SmartGrip. And you can see the price, it's $44.99 right now. And of course, you can always get these at 4 easy payments of $11.25 with Afterpay. Make sure you use coupon code MMTR25 to get 25% off your purchase. How do you win that product? All you gotta do is like and follow. Make sure you share it with people. Once we get to 1,000, we're gonna be giving away all these products. Don't forget guys to like and follow for more.